Alright, here it goes. It's working. Woo! Alright, well, just got another several feet of gutter to go. Yeah, it's still recording, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, can you grab me that flashlight, that shop flashlight? It might just be in the garage or it might be on the counter. Here we go. I'm going to show a little bit of, here we go. So, washing the stuff out. It's kind of getting dark out now, but there's all this crud that's accumulated, and this is with it all, like, you know, flowing out of that hole and then just splattering down here. And if you look at these, that's pretty serious stuff there. That all came out of the gutter. And this, so all that is all pine needles and junk that's been clogged up in there forever, and it gets wet, and who knows how much it weighs. But there we go. So I'm gonna take a break and then we'll do the other half. I don't know if it'll be even tonight, but if I want to get good video, I probably ought to wait, huh? So, all right, that's it. Okay, well, I think we're more or less done. I've still got to go up on top there and clean out the big runs, the channels. So some daylight here. You can see a lot of that gunk that was in there. It actually doesn't look like too much came out this side, although a lot of it overflowed, you know, in the middle there. There's a lot of this stuff all over the ground. I'm pretty sure all this, all the way out here even, there's a lot that came out of that gutter, and then there's all this, you know, this is where we started. Boy, there's a lot of that. This is stuff that's kind of weird. Like, oh, that's roof granules from my car shingle roof. So it's raining slightly right now, and you can see that you know, well, after I'm done, it's just sort of flowing there. It might sort of go on and kind of self-clean a little bit from here on out, at least to some extent. But yeah, that's gonna conclude it for this. I'll film some more if I run into anything else important here.